All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Canon. So the first thing you need to do is put it to the on position. And what I like to do is just flip out the screen, smush it around this way, then pop it back. That way I can get it right in here. And we're going to hit menu. We're going to navigate with this. So I'm going to pull this way, and I've got to get to the wrench. You'll see there's a camera. There's this like play button, and then there's a wrench. We got to get to wrench in the second page. As I pull this over, it's going to run through the pages in camera, run through the pages in play, and then finally get there. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it towards me like this, right here. I'm just going to do it really quick. There we are. Now I'm going to go one more because I'm on page 1 right now. I'm going to go to page 2. And then I'm going to go to date and time. And the way I navigate up is I can use this little thing here. I click there, and then I hit set, and it brings it up. And you can see that I've already got this set up. It's July 9th. But if I wanted to change it, I would click on set, and then there's an arrow on top and an arrow on bottom. So I could go up to 8, or I could go down or to whatever number I want. When I get to the number I want, I click set again. Then I go to the next one. And then I click set again because I've navigated over, right? There's left, there's right navigation. Now I click set, I get my arrows. Now I can go up or I could go back down. I'm at 9, right? If I'm good with that, I click set. Then I navigate over one more. And for the year, I hit set, I get my arrows again. I go up or I go down. We got to go back to 2023. Once I'm there, I hit that. And then I navigate over to the next one and do the same thing, right? I could go there, there, but we're going to leave it where it's at. And it's 19 minutes after 20 seconds. Then I'm going to go down here. I've got month, day, and year. I'm good with that. Then I'm going to come down here, and then I'm going to come one more. Whoops, because I'm in New York, but let me go over to New York. If I click on New York and I go to, whoops, and I click on that, I can change it. Like I could go Caracas, Newfoundland, all these different places, right? But I'm just going to go to New York. And it's kind of like right after Chicago. I'm going to hit New York because that's where I want to be. And if I'm good with that, then I'm going to navigate down using this again until I get to OK. And then I'm going to hit OK. And now those are good. Let's go again. OK. And we're done, man. We did it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff on this cool ass camera. Peace out.